Are you tired of your car looking dull and faded? Want to restore that showroom shine without spending a fortune on professional detailing? In this video, I'm sharing secrets to hand polishing your car and achieving a professional looking finish with all affordable tools and techniques. Let's get straight into this, everybody. Let's go. Okay, so this is the tools right here. Also, gonna add on these microfiber towels. These microfiber towels, so we have microfiber cloths, applicators, and a bottle of polish. I'm going to demonstrate how to use each tool effectively. I'm going to emphasize techniques achieving a professional looking finish. Highlight the importance of having a dedicated workspace for polishing. Now, if you do not have a garage and you're outside, it's always best to get into a shaded area. Make sure that it's shaded. First thing that we're going to do is wash the car, which it has been washed. Choosing the right products for your car is important. Now, this is a polish here. Compound corrects, polish shines, and wax protects. So, with new finish, with this product here, you kind of get a protective polymer finish, kind of almost like a wax, and you have a polish all in one. What we have here to apply the polish with is applicator pads, cotton applicator pads. As you can see, you can get these out of Walmart, you can get them out of many big box stores, you can get them from Sam's Club, off their website, samsclub.com. You can get them from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Napa, Advanced Auto Parts. They have different brands, but as long as you get a cotton applicator pad, you're good to go. Also, have the bottle of polish, and along with that, have 2 microfiber towels, okay? So, what I'm going to show you next is a demonstration from start to finish, emphasizing the importance of the correct application of polish and using appropriate pressure, okay? And also I'm going to show you the crucial step of removing the polish residue for a flawless shine, okay? Let me open this up here. Go ahead and grab this. Give me one moment. Just going to go ahead and grab one of those. Leave that right there. I'm going to shake this up. It does have a safety tab here. I'm going to pull that off. Like so. Okay. So now, since I've done that, let me show you how I'm going to apply this. So the first things first, I'm first going to pour it on like so. I'm just going to take this right here and I'm going to make a butterfly. Okay, you see that? It's already soaking in into the microfiber. Okay, now I'm going to add just a little bit more. Since that was to prime the pad, okay, I'm just going to add like that. I'm going to be generous with this. I'm not going to be stingy, okay? You want coverage. You want adequate coverage, and you don't want to rub a dry pad on the surface. So I'm going to do again. I'm going to go ahead and butterfly it one more time. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn it over. And with it flat, as you can see, I'm going to show you how much pressure I'm using here. Okay. I'm then going to go in a circular motion. Same, even pressure. Okay. Watch this. Watch it. Circular motion. Now, as I'm working this in, working it onto the paint, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that right over there. And now, I'm going to wait on it to dry. First thing I'm going to grab next is going to be a microfiber towel. With these tabs like this, what I like to do, to make sure that you're not scratching the surface, I know it sounds crazy, but these tags can scratch. So what I like to do is rip that off, put that away, And when you get ready to wipe it, you're going to want to prep this microfiber towel. I'm going to fold it in fours, like so. Okay, I'm going to fold it like so. I'm not going to use a lot of pressure. It's no reason to use a lot of pressure with taking this polish off. Okay, it's easy on, easy off. Ready? Here we go. I'm making sure that it's flat. Okay, I'm just going to use light pressure, very light pressure. Now, something that is very, very cool that I'm going to show you real time here, you can see this 50-50. This is before and this is after. You can clearly see before, after. And let me move this out of the way. And you can see gloss there versus gloss there. Okay, there's a 50-50. So let me show you again how to do this. Are you ready? Here we go. Go ahead and open this up. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and, since it's already primed, I'm just going to butterfly it one more time. I'm demonstrating butterfly pattern. And go all the way around. Now the pad is saturated. Now, I'm also going to show you a different technique of applying this polish. It's easier to go on circles, but if you have a bad shoulder or whatnot, you can go in straight lines. Okay? Go in straight lines. And you could also go in a cross hatch pattern. So you can go in straight lines and a cross hatch. In straight lines, cross hatch pattern. Okay? Now, I'm going to wait just a few moments. This is the side, which you can see some of the polish residue on there. It's still okay to use because I still have free area on here to wipe it off, to utilize. Once this becomes saturated, all that you're going to do is just turn it over. And once that gets saturated, all you have to do is just flip it like this, and then voila. Now you got another two sides to work with. Okay, so let me show you. All right, I'm going to wait on this to dry just a few seconds. It dries fairly quick. All right, look at that. Okay. Now, the second way to apply a polish is actually using a microfiber towel. So let me show you. So what I did, I'm going to show you from the beginning. Took this microfiber, I'm going to fold it into fours, like so. Okay, just like so. And if you remember the butterfly technique to get the pad saturated, we're going to use the same thing, but we're going to do it a little bit different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this polish. Okay. And you notice I'm being very, very liberal with this. I am not holding back at all. Reason being is because it's going to be used. And once it's in the applicator pad or in the microfiber, it's there. Okay. So watch what I'm doing. Okay. I'll show you this from this angle. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that this entire area that is on this side has polish. And what I'm going to do now is, since this side has polish on it and I have it prepped, I'm then going to put a little bit more. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to dab it because it's already saturated. You can see it's saturated on this microfiber towel. What I'm going to do is hold it like this, put it down flat, and then rub it on. It's a very, very old school way of doing it, but it works. Okay? So I'm just gonna wipe it all over. All right? And I like going in circles. You can go in a cross hatch pattern, but prefer going in circles. It's just easier. But do what feels comfortable to you. If it feels better going up and down, side to side, do what makes you happy. Do what's comfortable for you. Okay? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and toss that off to the side. And the same thing, I'm gonna let this dry for a second and let it dry to a haze. And now, with this handy dandy microfiber that we used just a second ago, I'm now gonna fold it into itself, okay? And I'm gonna use a fresh side to wipe this. So what I'm gonna do, let me back off. I'm gonna take this and see how easy that is to come off? You'll notice that each application, it'll get a little shinier and a little shinier and a little shinier. Provided that you have clear coat and your paint is in decent shape, this will work. This will work. Now, if your clear coat's failing, then it's failing. You just need a new paint job. But if your car was in the condition as what this one was before you started applying it, then this will work for you. This will work for you. So just look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. All right, so let me go ahead and put that right there. So you're probably wondering, how do you maintain the car's finish after you hand polish it? Well, what you really have to do is wash it. Wash it. There's videos that are going to be linked in the description. Links are going to be laid down there as far as to videos on how to wash your vehicle, 2-bucket wash method, and you can just check it out right there. Or if you're in a rush and you're in a hurry and you don't want to wash your own car, drive it through a car wash. It's the easiest way to make sure it stays clean. Now, you could use a self-serve, you could use a drive-through, doesn't matter. Now, besides that, after you hand polish your vehicle, you're probably wondering, what can I do after that? Well, you can add a wax. You can use a detail spray. You could use a spray wax. You could use a spray-on ceramic coating. SiO2 infused ceramic spray coating. And they have those in the stores. They have it on O'Reilly's. They have it on AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, Napa, Walmart. Walmart carries a lot of different cool products out there. All of them are out there. It's all subjective, which ones are the best, which ones are the worst. It's subjective. It's what you like. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. Hope you found this video useful. Tell a friend, share it. Leave a comment below and talk about your experience with hand polishing a car. What techniques do you use that have worked for you in your life, in your business? Drop a comment right below. See you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.